it's Chef Yoda the dog here. Fresh from my peanut butter Easter egg hunt yesterday. I'm sure you just saw that video. If you didn't, please click on the link and go watch it because it's hilarious. I got what I wanted. Anyway, today's Monday meal is a Instapot from frozen pot roast. So it's a pot roast cooked in the Instapot with only 3 ingredients, but it was cooked from frozen, so no thawing, which is my mom's favorite kind of meal to make, where she doesn't have to think about thawing something out before she puts it in the Instapot. So this came from a website that my mom can't remember the name of at the moment. So she said just to let you know that the link is going to be in the description box below for the recipe from the site she got it from. But it's a frozen pot roast in the Instapot with 3 ingredients. And it's just marinara sauce and beef broth and what's the third? Oh, the roast. Duh. So anyway, that's a 3-ingredient pot roast. It cooks for on manual pressure for 1 hour and 45 minutes. Then you do a natural release for 10 minutes and then a quick release after that. And that's it. So we'll show you the finished product once it's done. Now watch my mom. Yoda the dog out.
All right, as Yoda said, we are making something quick and easy for the Monday meal tonight. So this is probably about 2-pound frozen venison roast. It's a 3-ingredient meal. We needed the roast in the Instapot. And first we put in, you're supposed to put in 1 cup of red wine, but I don't have that. So I put in a little bit of balsamic vinegar at the bottom of my cup measure and then filled it with beef broth the rest of the way. And that goes in first. Then you put the frozen roast on top. Then you just use some marinara sauce. I used like 1.5 cups since mine's about 2 pounds instead of 3 like the recipe says, which I'll link below. But this one is Prego Traditional, one of my favorites. So that's in there. We're just gonna put the lid on. And then we're gonna set it for 1 hour and 45 minutes. And then you let it quick release for about 10 minutes. So, or actually natural release. So I'll talk more about that at the end. Okay, so we did 1 hour and 45 minutes of the frozen roast here in the Instapot and let it natural release for 10 minutes. And then I did the quick release and this is what we've got. It's ready, and I'm going to shred it up, and we're going to put it on sandwiches, but you could do with it whatever you want. There's also in this link I'm going to put down here to the recipe, there is a gravy recipe. So if you wanted to use the sauce here and thicken it up with some cornstarch and cold water, you could. You just turn this on to saute and then put that in there and thicken it up a little bit. But other than that, it's done. Bye. Okay, just kidding. I decided to make the gravy. So it's 1/4 cup cold water, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, and then salt and pepper to taste. You turn your Instapot on saute, and then you cook until it's thick, which did not take long. So this will be the gravy that goes on our meat for the sandwiches, or whatever you decide to put it on. Enjoy.